Hi friends, today we are going to write a letter to the headmaster. So let's start the video. Write a letter to the headmaster or headmistress of your school within 100 words seeking leave for 3 days to visit your ailing grandmother. To the headmaster, ABC School 17 Salkia School Road, Salkia, Howrah 7,08,000. Here I have written my school address. You have to write your school address. Then the subject, leave of absence. Respected sir, I, a pupil of class 12 section A, embellished with roll number 5 of your century-old institution, do most sincerely request your kind attention to befall on the subject mentioned above for your gracious consideration. My grandmother has fallen ill with a mild heart attack since last Monday. I, along with my parents, will go there. So, my earnest request to you to kindly allow me a 3-day leave. Please grant the pair and oblige. Yours obediently, Sudipa Ghosh. Here I have written my name. You have to write your name. So, if you like the video, please don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you.